Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for Mobiloans line of credit. We will also put affiliate links in the description below for some apps where you can borrow money. To start, open the Webbeast. Then click on Apply Now. Here, you need to create an account. First, select your state of residence. Next, enter your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and the password you wish to use. Adding a middle name is optional. After entering, click on the tick box to acknowledge that you have read and agree to the privacy policy. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your complete address, monthly mortgage amount or rent, home phone, cell phone number, social security number, driver's license, and state. Also, select your military status. Click on the tick box beside the option that applies. Then click on Next. On this page, provide your income information, employment information, and a bank account. After entering all the required information, click on Next. And that's how you apply for Mobiloans line of credit. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.